Hi guys, I want to show you 4 basic ingredients that you should use in seasoning your salmon. First is the garlic, the pure sea salt, or you can use regular salt. This is fine black pepper. This is mushroom seasoning. It's basically mushroom extract. It has 0 carbohydrates. I'll show this to you again. Okay, let's get started. So you want to use half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, I'd like to use a lot of garlic, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic. And also I like to use a lot of mushroom extract, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of mushroom extract. So you mix it up. And if you have the salmon, you just rub it on top. Make sure you rub the skin side too. I usually buy salmon with skin because I love the skin, and my kids do too. So this, if you have leftover, don't worry. You may not be able to use all of it. It's okay to have leftover. By doing this, you're not going to over season. So make sure you cover. Make sure that you cover the salmon all over. As you can see here, I already pre-marinated this before. So just rub them all in, and the taste will be very balanced. Okay, you gotta preheat your air fryer first. So my air fryer is ready. I'm gonna lay it in, skin side up. Be careful, guys. Skin side up, side up. See, skin side up. You can see that. And I'm gonna put some olive oil on top of the skin. I like my skin crunchy. This one you don't have to turn, just leave it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, like this. It's moist. See that? Okay, time to put it in the air fryer. These are string beans. You have to look at the gram of carbohydrates when you eat string beans. Okay, well, this is how the salmon looks like. Isn't it beautiful?